So in this topic, I am going to discuss about the Young's modulus of elasticity. So basically, we use the Young's modulus to measure the elasticity of the object. Okay. So what is the Young's modulus? So actually Young's modulus, we can say Y is the ratio between the normal stress by longitudinal strain. So Young's modulus is the ratio between the normal stress divided by the longitudinal strain. So what is stress? So we know that stress is equal to force per area, and strain is equal to change in length by original length. So suppose if one this thing is there, and if I put some weight mg, so this is a rod, and if I put some weight mg, so what happens is change its length. Suppose this is the L, so in that case its length may change. So this is L and this small l is the change in length. Okay, so in case of stress, I can write stress equal to F by A. So what is F? F is that mass mg, and what is the area? So if I take a rod, then the area is pi r square. Understood? So what is Young's modulus? Young's modulus is the ratio between the normal stress by longitudinal strain. So what is stress? Stress already we know that force per area. What is strain? Strain is the change in length by original length. Suppose if I take a object, if a rod, and if I put some weight into this rod, then what happens? Its length may change. Okay, its length may change due to this law. So this small l is a change in length, and capital L is the original length. So what is stress? Stress equal to force per area, and it means mg by pi r square. What is mg? Mg is the force that we applied, and A is the area of that rod. Now, what is Young's modulus? We know that Young's modulus is equal to normal stress. What is the formula for normal stress? F by A. And what is the formula for strain? Longitudinal strain is small l by capital L. So we can write it like this: F into capital L, A into small l. Okay, so what is the value of F by A? So we can write F equal to mg by pi r square. F by equal to mg by pi r square into capital L by small l. So this is the formula for Young's modulus. So this Young's modulus is basically used to measure the elasticity of the material or elasticity of the bar, okay, or steel rod, anything. So again I am repeating, what is Young's modulus? Young's modulus is the normal stress divided by longitudinal strain. What is stress? Stress equal to force per area. What is strain? Strain equal to small l by capital L. What is the small l? Small l is the change in length, and capital L is the original length. Now stress equal to F by A. So F by A means if I put some load, so this is the F. So F, we know that F equal to mg. So this is mg. What is area? Area equal to pi r square. So now Y equal to, just put all this value in this formula, F by A by L by A. So ultimately I am getting this one. So if I put this F by A value, so it is mg by pi r square capital L by small l. So this is my formula for Young's modulus. So I think you understood what is Young's modulus, why you used Young's modulus, and what is the formula for Young's modulus. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to get the more updates. Thank you.